If you forgot your Hostinger password, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover your Hostinger account step by step. This is a quick and easy process, and by the end, you'll know how to reset your password, get back into your account, and log in safely with your new credentials. If this tutorial helps you, please hit like and to subscribe for more simple software guides like this one. Alright, let's start with the first step. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once the website loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click the profile icon. This will take you to the login area. On the login form, you'll see the sign-in fields where you normally enter your account details. Under those fields, click the Forgot Password link. This is the option you need when you cannot remember your current password. Now it's time to submit your email address. On the password reset request page, type the email address that is linked to your Hostinger account. Make sure you enter the correct email because Hostinger will send the reset link to that inbox only. After that, click Send Reset Email. Once you do that, Hostinger will begin the password recovery process and send you a secure reset message. Next, open your email inbox and check for a message from Hostinger. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam folder or junk folder as well because sometimes the message can land there. When you find the email, open it and click the Reset Password link inside the message. This link will take you directly to the password reset page where you can create a new password for your account. On the password reset page, type in your new password carefully, then re-enter the same password in the confirmation field so both entries match exactly. It's a good idea to choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to help keep your account secure. Once everything looks correct, click Submit or Save Password, depending on what you see on the page. After your new password is saved, go back to the Hostinger login page, enter your email address again, then type your new password into the password field. Finally, click Login. If everything was done correctly, you should now have full access to your Hostinger account again. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Hostinger account after forgetting your password. As you can see, the process is simple once you know where to click and what steps to follow. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.